cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our Precut Chrome Delete Kit, but what you might not know is that Bogart Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogartechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Kia EV6, and we're going to do the side skirt chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So this is how the skirt looks before doing the installation. And this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material in order to black out the entire side skirt. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the entire side panel. So you're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. Your side panel does have any harsh contaminants like any wax, oils, grease, or any coating on the side panel. You can also use tack solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. But when you're doing the prep, if you're able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, you should be good. So grab your slip solution, spray it onto the towel, and start removing all the contaminants that the panel may have, and also clean the surrounding area just in case if the film does touch the plastic trim, it doesn't catch any contaminants. Okay, so for the first installation, we're going to start by installing the piece that covers this small section here. So it's just this small little piece right here. So this piece, just align it right on the edge here and work your way to this section of the panel. Okay, once you place it, use the top half as a guide to align the rest of the film and just adjust it as needed. And then just help it tack down, remove all of the air that's trapped underneath the film, and then with the heat gun or a hairdryer, just apply heat to start helping the adhesive activate faster. But before you do that, just make sure you remove all of the air that's trapped underneath. Okay, and with this piece here, we're going to need the door open. That's why it's open in this section here. So we need it open in order to do the coverage on the chrome on the inside here. So you just need a little bit of chrome that needs to be covered here. So just apply heat. To help loosen the film. And after you apply heat, just tack it down around the edge. You're going to slowly just work your way inside. So lift it carefully, stretch it just a little bit, so pull it, and then tack it down. Just like that. That way we prevent having any fingers on the curved section here. Okay, and then just apply heat to seal the edge. And then you trim off the excess material. If you need more room to work with, just open the door a little bit more. That way you have more room to work with and into your blade here. So you just need the blade just a little bit and trim off the excess material from here. And that's pretty much it. And apply heat to seal the film. And you should be good. And now you will move on to this piece here. Make sure you have enough room to cover the small edge of the chrome here as well, and then work your way over there. Okay, so now we're moving on to piece number 2. Piece number 2 is the more longer, straighter piece. So it's this one here. So just place the film onto the panel, that way it doesn't fall down to the ground. And remember, we just need a little bit of material to cover the edge of the inside of the chrome here. So give yourself material. So this excess will be tucked in inside, just like how we did it with this piece here. And once you place it, just align the film until you reach to the other end. Once you place the film, go ahead and grab your squeegee, start tacking everything down. Remove all of the air that's trapped underneath the film. Okay, and then once you finish tacking it down, grab your heat gun, apply heat throughout the entire panel. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster, and then we'll help it tack down on the edges. So to tack it down on the edges, you will need to open the door that we have access here and on the other end. Okay, for this area here, it is going to be just a little tricky in order to help it tack down inside. So we will need to use our squeegee just to help it tuck in inside. So just apply a little bit of heat. Let the film cool down just a little bit, and then you're just going to use your squeegee and help it tuck in inside. Just take your time tacking it down, and then apply heat. And just use squeegee to tuck the inside of the panel. And you should be good. And then don't forget about the other end. You would do the same steps as like how we did it with this piece here. Just apply heat, stretch it, and then tack it down, and then trim off the excess material. Okay, so now we're moving on to the last piece, which is piece number 3. So this one, just make sure, just like how we did it with the front panel for the front door, just make sure you give yourself material to cover the chrome here, and also the material to cover on the side here. So you could kind of guesstimate and give yourself material to cover the edge here. Take a look and see. If you see you have coverage, then you should be good. So then you would just align the rest of the film, just like that, and then just follow through, continue the alignment until you're to the other end. So now go ahead and grab your squeegee, start tacking down the film. Start from the curved area here. Slowly work your way down. Go side by side. That way we prevent any creases. Go ahead and just grab your heat device, apply heat. That way we help the adhesive on this entire section here tack down faster. And also we have in the fingers, we help them tack down slowly. Okay, and then for this part here, same process like how we did it with the front door. Just apply heat, stretch it, tack it down, and then do the same on that end, and then trim off any excess material that you may have here and any excess material that you may have on the rest of the panel down here. There's a small gap where you could insert your blade on the lower section. You would just need to create an outline with your finger, that way you know exactly where to insert your blade and trim off the material. So just apply heat, hold the film, and then with your finger or with your squeegee, just help it tack down. Let the film cool down just a little bit. Go ahead and grab your blade and you trim off the extra material here. This is where the gap is, so trim off from here. So once you finish with the entire installation for the side skirt, the last thing to do is to post heat each panel. So just make sure you use your heat device, use the lowest setting on your device, and apply heat evenly throughout the entire panel. You can use your squeegee just to help tuck in the film on the edges that the panel has here and on the bottom. And then you can use your squeegee on the soft side to help it tack down in case the film is still lifting. So take your time doing this step. Make sure take your time on each panel. This will help the adhesive activate faster, and then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the side skirt chrome delete installation for the Kia EV6. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Don't forget to check out our other kits for the Kia EV6. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.